Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and thank y'all for stopping by our little channel once again. Today, we're going to do a little Southern Sunday supper again. Today, we have baked chicken thighs, some boiled cabbage, some purple whole peas, some yeast rolls, sliced tomatoes, sliced onions, and for dessert, some fresh watermelon. Hope you enjoy, and thank you. All right, here we have our cabbage cooking, kind of a low boil, some water, some butter, a little bit of salt. Just gonna cook it till it's good and tender. And here we have our purple whole peas boiling, and we have some dry salt meat in there for a little bit of flavoring. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for our chicken thighs. We're going to go with a little bit of salt and a little bit of the wood-fired garlic that we like. We got our oven preheating at 350 degrees. Get these seasoned on both sides, throw them in the oven, let it do its thing. All right, ladies and gentlemen, now it's time for one of my favorite desserts in the whole wide world, some fresh watermelon. We're going to cook this one up, cut it up in little chunks, get it in some bowls, get it in the refrigerator. We'll get nice and cold, be ready when we want it. Ladies and gentlemen, there's the finished product. Turned out pretty decent if I say so myself, but hey, don't take my word for it. Here's the momsies. Tell you what she thinks.